Awesome writers, it's Miss Lopez here with another writing lesson. Today I'm really excited because we're going to be starting something called graphics practice. Graphics practice is when we're going to be learning how to make lines or shapes in order to draw awesome things in the future. So for example, we're going to be learning about drawing lines, half circles. All those things are going to help us draw pictures and also write letters in the future, okay? So that is what graphics practice is. Today, before we start, we're going to review our expectations or the rules that we need to follow to become great writers, okay? So let's listen and look carefully, okay? Make sure that you are paying attention to our expectations. So in order to become great writers, number one, we must honor our materials, okay? So taking care of our pencils, our papers, our pens, all the things that we use for school, our materials. Number two, we need to use our Baby Shark grip. So last week you guys did a really great job using your Baby Shark grip. We love seeing all those pictures of you guys. Really great job. We're gonna continue using our Baby Shark, remember, grip, using our thumb, our index finger, and our middle finger to hold our writing utensils. So we're gonna continue that all year, okay? Number three, we're gonna be using 3 or more colors. So when we draw a picture, when we're asked to do like a picture, make sure that you're using 3 or more colors to add details to your picture. We love seeing colors on your all's pictures. Number 4, write your name at the very top because that way we know whose work is whose, okay? If you didn't write your name, then we may not know that work belongs to you and it might be really good work. So we wanna know whose it is, okay? So now that we reviewed our expectations on becoming a great writer, we are going to start our graphics practice lesson, okay? It's gonna be a little bit simple, but that's good. I mean, we're gonna be learning and growing our brain more and more each day, okay? We're gonna be, the first thing that we're gonna be doing is making sure that our name is on top. Now you can have your parents write your name for you and then just copy it yourself on the bottom. You can have them do the dots, but I would really encourage you guys to have your parents write it first and then you copy it. Or mom and dad, write it somewhere like on a card and have that with your students at all times so that they're always looking at your name, their name that you wrote down, and they can always copy that, okay? So that's a really good tip to always have their name with them. So my name is Miss Lopez, so I'm gonna write my name at the top, remember? My name always goes at the top of my paper. Miss Lopez. Okay. And then we're going to be learning how to draw some raindrops today, okay? So I'm gonna take my blue marker and I'm going to be drawing some raindrops. All I'm gonna be doing is drawing some dots on my paper, okay, to make it look like rain. So let me go ahead and start, okay? Make sure that you're holding your Baby Shark grip when you do this. And when I do my raindrops, I'm gonna say the word rain. Every time I say the word rain, I draw a dot, okay? I'm not going to make a really big circle like this and color it and make it messy. I'm just gonna do a really tiny dot like this. Boop, 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 like that, okay? But instead of saying boop, I'm gonna say rain, 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 okay? Watch me. I'm gonna get you guys a little closer. So I'm gonna say rain, 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 rain. So all I'm doing is I'm pushing my marker a little bit in, like that, okay? And drawing a dot. So what I'm not doing is this. I'm not doing this. That is what I'm not doing, okay? So sad face to that. I'm doing just small dots like this, really fast. Happy face to that, okay? And that's what I'm going to be doing, super simple. Make sure you're being precise and using your Baby Shark grip. And then at the bottom of my paper, I'm going to be drawing some grass, okay? So the way that we draw grass is we hold our baby shark grip and we start from up, down. So grab something with you, grab a marker or pencil and say up, down, up, down. And the way that I can draw my grass is by just, what I like to do is I count to 3. So I start 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? Or you can say the word grass while you're doing it, okay? Whatever you need to say to yourself to make sure that you're stopping at a certain point, okay? And that way your grass has an end point and they all kind of look the same, right? So let's go ahead and do our grass. Watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm also holding my pencil really steady so I'm not making wiggly lines, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm also making sure that they're not touching each other. I don't want to make my grass on top of each other. I'll make sure that they're not touching each other, okay? It's really important to make sure that they're not touching each other. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or you can say grass, grass, grass. Another thing you can say is up, down, up, down. So whatever you need to say in your head to make sure that you are drawing precise lines, okay? Up, down. We're not drawing lines like this today. We're just doing up, down, okay? What I don't want to see you guys doing is, I don't want to see, well, just try to not do this today. I know it's your first day, don't worry. But make sure that you're trying to not do wiggly lines today, like this, or that they're not on top of each other like this. Okay, let's make sure that they are all separated, okay, and looking like grass, okay? So that's how my grass would look, and that's how my raindrops. For your assignment today, pre-K4, you will be drawing at least 5 raindrops and 5 pieces of grass, okay? You can go ahead and do more, but we at least want to see 5 of each, and of course your name on top of your paper. All right, well, it's been great talking to you guys today. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.